morning class. So today we are going to discuss about our third unit second lesson, that is a continuation of first lesson. The selfish gain part 1 we have seen in the first lesson, and selfish gain part 2 we will see in this lesson. So what in after that is the selfish giant had fallen sick, and there is no that is spring came into his garden, and there is a still winter, and it is full of frost and smoke and all. Then in the second part, what the selfish giant is thinking, that there is no winter, there is no spring in my garden only. There is that is in the surroundings the spring came, but in the winter the flowers are not blooming, and the trees are so dull with that is ice and the frost and all. Then he felt sick. Then after some days, the children who were playing in the garden before, they came again. They started playing in his garden. After that, when the children started playing in his garden, then the spring came to his garden. Then the selfish giant came to know that if he doesn't allow children to come into his garden, then there will be no spring, because if children, that is if birds sang, if children comes, birds come, and there will be a beautiful music given by birds, and if the birds music will be there, then only will be the spring season comes, and the flowers bloom, and the trees becomes green, and the garden looks very beautiful with butterflies, some birds and children playing in this garden. Then the giant came to know that if the children play in my garden, then will be my garden is so beautiful. If I don't allow the children to play in my garden, then there will be no spring to my garden, and it will become dull. Then the selfish giant allowed the children to play, and all the children are saying to the selfish giant that this garden is so nice. This garden is not like a roads, because roads are very dirty and we have no place to play, and there is so much of pollution. We love this garden, and thank you for allowing this garden again. By seeing the selfish giant, all children were afraid, afraid that the selfish giant will scold, but the giant doesn't the giant did not respond very roughly. He smiled and says that you can play in my garden, and the garden is very beautiful, but in one tree, that is near the one tree, there is a still winter, and a small boy who is standing behind the tree is thinking that I want to climb the tree, but I am very small, I can't climb the tree, and he is full of tears. His eyes is full of tears and standing alone with a very sad face. Then what they did is, the selfish giant went near that boy, and he put that boy into his hands, and he put that boy on the branch of the tree. Then the tree also become very beautiful, and the winter gone, that is the frost and all gone, and the spring came to that tree also, and the boy played very much, and he played with the giant also. But the giant is became old, so he not able to play, but he sat on the floor, that is he sat on the chair and seeing all the children playing in the garden. Then daily the children used to come in his garden, and they used to play. But the selfish giant one day asked that where is that small boy, he is not coming from that day, only one day he came and now he is not coming. Then the children said that we have never seen that boy in this area or in this locality. If we find that boy, we will inform to you, but I think he is not belonging to our colony or our place, we didn't, on that day only we saw that boy. From that day we didn't saw that boy. Then the old again said that if you find that boy, you please come and inform me that that boy had came. But from that day, from till now, he didn't came. So it is a power of God or something, we don't know. But the boy only changed. He changed this little kid mind, we are thinking. And after some days they came, the boy came, and the boy is that is Gaint asked how many days, this many days where you have gone, and the boy smiled and cried. And the Gaint says that who helped bet you, or who helped, what happened, and anyone had said something for you. Then the boy says that this is the tears of wound from heart. Now I am the owner of a new garden, so you can come and sit in my garden. Then the selfish Gaint felt very happy, and the garden is very very beautiful before that is after playing in that garden. So here in this lesson, or in this conversation, we are getting to know that if we allow or if we help others, something good will come to us. If we do something wrong to others, that will the God will see, and he give the definitely punishment. Because if when children had God, that is went away from the garden, there is no more winter in the spring in the garden. So if the children came, then all become normal. So this is all about this that is selfish Gaint story and his garden story. This is a very beautiful story. And that is the first part is selfish Gaint part 1, and second part is selfish Gaint part 2. By this we have ended this lesson. Hope you understand. Thank you.